water change, except for on this. This is the shrimp tank, and all I do is I top it up once a week with a drop of water. It's got an air stone in it, and that's it really. And I will be putting a sponge filter in as well, but at the minute they seem to be doing really well with the babies without a sponge filter and just with an air stone. So like I say, I just top it up and it gets algaed up, and I don't really clean it because that's what they feed on, algae. The crab paludarium is the same. I just top it up with water, rainwater, that's all I do. And the same in the baby fish fry. I don't really clean them out. They have got a sponge filter and I do give it a rinse occasionally, and that's all I do. Underneath I've got this one that's got a mixture of male guppies and baby platies, mollies, swordtails, guppies, and then this one's just female guppies, and I do a full water change once a week, and I clean the sponges every day, just give them a quick rinse under the tap and a squeeze out. And up here I've got my long fin rosy barb babies, and I have done a full water change on both of them with a bucket of water each. And again, I clean the sponges out every day. I just give them a rinse through under the tap, put them back in, and if there's any detritus or any food left over on the bottom, I give that a clean out, hoover out as well during the week. And that's my routine. I just do a full water change once a week, and I clean the sponges other than that, and they're all doing really well. Now I was going to try and get a license so that I could sell my fish, but I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set up another tank for myself, and I'm going to have a whole load of fish in it. So I'm going to keep the rosy barbs, the longfin rosy barbs, and I'm going to grow them on, and I'm going to sell them next year when they've bred again. I've got quite a few goldfish up at the polytunnel, but I'm going to keep them and I'm going to breed them either up there or in the ponds, and I've got lots of ponds so I can fill them in, put them in spaces. And the same with the guppies, platies, mollies and swordtails. I'm going to separate them so that they've got either males in one tank and females in another, and I'll keep them with the barbs, or with some in, I'll sort some out and have a couple of tanks set up. And then next year I'm going to do the breeding properly to sell to whoever and get a license then. And the crabs, I'll let them grow on as well, and I'll sell them. I can sell them because I don't need a license to do so because they're crustaceans, the same as the